Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and I've got a very helpful form that I want to share with you to show you how real estate agents can start keeping better track of their numbers and ultimately start making a lot more money. So you're certainly aware there's a lot of different trainings and systems and softwares and that type of thing out there. I want to show you a very simple form. It's one piece of paper that's really going to help you in tracking the numbers that matter in your business. This is where you see a huge difference in your real estate business. Now, the reason I say this is because there's a lot of false metrics out there. What do I mean by false metrics? People that track how many views they have, how many likes they have, how many fans they have, even how many calls they've made, or how many appointments they've been on, or how many leads they're generating. None of that stuff matters, and I know that because it's not on this form that keeps track of it here. I want to share this with you. I'm going to show you. I'll turn the camera around here so that you can see this form. By the way, if you don't know me, I'm Greg Luther, coach about 30,000 realtors all over the country, and a lot of our agents have had tremendous results because we get them away from all those shiny objects that get in their way. I'm going to show you this in just a second, but I think you'll agree that the biggest two problems for realtors is distraction and procrastination. And the more we're distracted by things, the easier it is for us to procrastinate on what should be done, right? So let me share this form with you. I want to show you this is how you track the numbers that actually matter. And you can have access to this form. You can get as many of them as you want. Totally free. Nobody even charges you anything for it. But let me show you what this is because these are the numbers that matter. If I can figure out how to turn my camera around, here we go. So let me show you this here. This is the form that you will use to track the numbers that matter. This is called a bank deposit slip. And what you'll notice here, and your bank has them too, by the way, and what you'll notice is there's no place for you to deposit likes. You can deposit cash and you can deposit checks. You can't deposit views. Even if you get 3 million views, no good. Even if you make 900 phone calls, cold calling or door knocking or whatever, no good. The only thing, see, you can't, these squares right here are so small that you can't put excuses in here. Because I started to write like, I had a meeting and the listing went really well. I think they're going to list with me, but they wanted it. Nope. All you can do is put in numbers. Look how small these squares are. So I want you to think about in your business how important it is for you to track the numbers that matter, which is the freaking money. Why are you tracking how many leads you're getting? Leads do not equate to more closings. And let me tell you, the more leads you get, the worse you will do in following up with them. I know it's easy to say, oh, those leads suck. I'm going to try some other leads. No, that doesn't work. I can't, anywhere on my bank statement, there's no place. I looked at the back too. I didn't show you that. But on the back, you can't write Zillow leads suck and actually pay your bills with that. You cannot deposit that. You can't write Realtor.com screwed me and I was in a 6-month contract and I've wasted all this money on my website. It's all bullshit. It's not getting you where you need to be in your real estate business. The only thing that matters is how much money did I make this month. When I'm working with my agents, the agent members involved with Greg Luther Inner Circle, all we're focused on, how do we make more money? What do you need to do to move the needle? You know what a lot of agents do all day long? Check their freaking email. There's nowhere on here that I can be proud and deposit how many emails I opened today. And what a lot of agents will do is literally go through all of their emails, and when they're done with that, you know what they do next after they're done going through their emails? They hit refresh. They're looking for more emails, looking for another distraction. Feels like they're moving somewhere in their business, though they're going absolutely nowhere. What if you were actually taking action on things that will move the needle for you, that will get you an appointment today with motivated prospects? If you go to getfastclosings.com, you can see a 40-minute presentation on totally free marketing that will allow you to start filling these damn things out. Now, you may not be with Chase Bank. You might be with someone else. I use my own system, by the way, generating tons and tons of referrals. We get thousands of referral checks. This is, they send me these big packages of these. I don't know if you can see that there. Big old packages of them every single month because we deposit so many checks on referral fees for some of our agents. But you've got to track the numbers that really matter and get away from the things like, as an example, checking email. There's no way I can deposit that, so I'm not doing it anymore. I'm going to unsubscribe from everybody that I can, so I'm not wasting my day doing that. getting likes and fans and views and all that stuff. That's not bankable money. So you've got to think about what you're doing every day and why you're not making the kind of money you want to make. If you're taking actions that get you in front of your prospects, motivated buyers and motivated sellers, you're going to be in a much better position. I'll show you how to do that. Go to getfastclosings.com and you're going to see some really good information there on totally free marketing that you can use. What you won't be able to do is find deposit slips that will let you put in how many office meetings you went to this week, how many excuses you want to write down, all day long doing absolutely nothing. The phone calls, the meetings, the emails, none of that stuff matters. If this is helpful for you, like this video. Make sure you share it with your friends if there's other realtors you think this would help. But be sure you're following our page as well. Every single day I give you some little helpful tips that'll get you making more money as a real estate agent. If you want to learn, see a 40-minute training that'll help you with some totally free marketing, go to getfastclosings.com. Turn off all that other crap you're doing right now, and let's spend 40 minutes to actually build your real estate business. So hopefully you enjoyed my kind of facetious, is that the right word? That's the biggest word I've ever used in my life. I was being kind of facetious. I was kind of being funny with this as well. But look, this is the form you need to use. You don't need a freaking software program that tracks all your CR. What the hell are we talking about? It's going to confuse you and make you mad. Now you've got another distraction for 2 weeks, and then you're mad that one took your money. Let's go make some real money. Check it out. Go to getfastclosings.com. Almost forgot what it was there. I'm Greg Luther. You can find more on us at gregluthercoaching.com. Go out there and make some money. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.